Friends, welcome to Electronics for You. In this video, I will explain program to unpack an 8-bit number for 8051 microcontroller. And here is the program. Write a program for 8051 microcontroller to unpack a number stored in memory location 30H and store the lower nibble in 31H and higher nibble in 32H. Let us see what is unpacking of a number means. Let us assume that we are having a number. Let that number is 63H. Okay, and to unpack a number means we have to separate these two digits. The first digit is 3 and another one is 6. We have to separate these two digits, and as per the program, this number, let us assume that this number is stored in 30H memory location, and here this is our lower nibble. Lower nibble is made up of 4 bits, and as per the hexadecimal number, this is these are lower 4 bits, and therefore we can say that this is lower nibble, and lower nibble is to be stored in 31H memory location and higher nibble is to be stored in 32H memory location. So here we have this 63H, and further we will store 3 into 31H and 6 into 32H memory location. Now the problem is we are having 63H, which can be written as 0 1 1 0 and 0 0 1 1 in hexadecimal. This is our 6 and this is our 3. So to unpack a number, we have to use the ANDing operation for 8051. Okay, this ANDing logical operation can be used here. Let us assume that first we have to keep this 3 number. Now to keep this 3 number, we have to AND it with all 1, and to make this 60, we have to AND it with all 0. Means we are ANDing here with 0 FH. 0 0 0 0 means 0 and 1 1 1 1 means F. So 0 FH is to be ANDed here. The resultant will be 0 in left side and 3 in right side. Okay, so we are having 0 3 as this number, and as per the program we will store it into 31H memory location. Now let us write the program for this. We are having number into 30H memory location, and therefore we will get it into accumulator first. Therefore I am using move a comma 30H as my first instruction. Further, as per the logic, I am ANDing this with the 0 FH, and ANL instruction is used. ANL a comma, I am directly ANDing with 0 FH, and therefore I will use hash symbol here, which is in immediate addressing mode, and the number is 0 FH. Now this operation is completed and the number is to be stored in 31H, and therefore again I will use move instruction here, move 31H comma A. So the content of accumulator is copied into 31H. The first task is completed. Now second is to make this 6 number. Okay, now we are having 63H, so the number is 0 1 1 0 and 3 means 0 0 1 1. And now to keep this 6, I will AND it with the 1 1 1 1, that is with F, and to make this number 0, 3 number 0, I will AND it with 0. Okay, so here I will get 0 1 1 0, and here on the right hand side the lower nibble is 0. Now the number is 60H, but what I have to store? I have to store 06H into 32H memory location. Now to make this 60 to 06, I can have two different techniques. I can use any rotate instruction, RL or RC, RR, okay, RRA or RLA 4 times, or I can simply use swap A instruction, swap A instruction 1 time. Okay, now let us write the program for this. So move A comma 30H again. So I am getting this 63H into accumulator now. Again ANL instruction is used. ANL, now I have to AND it with F0H. So it is A comma hash 0F0H. Note here that number cannot be started with the character, or we can say the alphabet, and therefore 0 is added here. Further, the number is actually 60H and we have to swap it. Therefore, I am using swap instruction, swap A, which will exchange the nibbles here, and thus we will get this number as 06. As our work is done, we have to just store the result into 32H memory location, that is move 32H comma accumulator. Further we can stop our program. So loop AJMP, loop will be last instruction. So in this way we have unpacked the number and store the result into 31H and 32H respectively. If you like this video, keep watching. Thank you.